So if the breadwinner of family suddenly not around already, yesterday go out, forgot to come back, or cannot come back already. So what happened to the house? I really urge that all the Malaysian family must have your family income protection program to stand by to cushion all these things. We understand the clients' financial needs once in their different financial life cycle or their business life cycle. So basically, that's why my financial element is the area that we focus most.
Hello listeners, today we are at a special place. We are at Harveston Capital. As you can see the big logo, the H here, and we have their group CEO, which is Derick Tan, here with us. So the first thing that I noticed when I come here is the walkway. So Derick will bring us through the walkway.
Yeah, let's go. Yeah, this is the walkway, the long wall that we start to welcome our guests when they first come. And this is also showing that what we do for our clients. We can even serve an individual family from children and up to when we guide them to fulfill their children's dreams. Children go for overseas, when come back with their career, then how they manage their money. So these things that we do. So we are with all our clients at every stages of their life. This is what we do. Even when they're married, they go into different stages of life. They have different needs. When they form their family, when they have children, when they go up to different stages of life, of having a children, having a baby, then they plan their things differently as well. So to build a stable and strong financial foundation for their family, these things that we assist clients to do. And in the end, everyone would like to have a peace of mind, a harmony family life. This is a special award under Sinju Business Excellence Award that received by Harveston Capital. This is the award that we've been nominated the third time during their tenure anniversary. We are receiving this under the category of Business Service Excellence Awards. We are the only one financial advisory company in Malaysia who received this award. The judges are coming from 24 trade associations, chairmen and presidents. Hi Bob, this is my office. This is those awards that I've been getting so far. Especially this award. This is a very special international award that we receive for the whole company under organizations. This is given by a consultant internationally. This is called Chinese Insurance Agency Award. It's called CIA 500. This is only invited guests will be receiving. We are the only one in Malaysia who received this award for consecutive 8 years. This is our business support operation room. This is my operation team. We have 18 staff who are supporting all the advisor and all the wealth management service center to serve client effectively.
All right, so now we are at the lounge. We just did the walkway and also the awards and also the room and also the team as well. So Derick, just a quick introduction of Harveston Financial Group. All right, so it is a Malaysian integrated wealth management firm established in 2009. All right, so Derick, can you tell us more about Harveston?
Yeah, Harveston, we are Harveston Capital Sdn Bhd. So under us, we have direct owned two companies called Harveston's Financial Advisory Sdn Bhd and Harveston Wealth Management Sdn Bhd. Basically, both companies are licensed under Bank Negara and Security Commissions. So we are a integrated wealth management company. We provide wealth management services to individual, family, and even corporate. Basically, for us in Harveston's, our vision is to be clients' preferred wealth management advisor.
So Derick, let's start with the 5 financial elements.
Okay, basically all our people in Harveston Capital, we was groomed to make one important role, play an important role, is we represent our clients' engagements. We understand the clients' financial needs once in their different financial life cycle or their business life cycle. So basically, that's why my financial element is the area that we focus most. We assist them to overcome their financial needs. We help them to accomplish their financial obligations. We also help them to fulfill their financial commitments. And we also help them to fulfill their financial dream, and lastly, their financial wishes in life. This is basically the 5 important financial elements for every individual, family, and even business.
Yeah, what I like about Harveston, as we were walking across the hallway just now, you don't cater to like just one demographic, right? You cater to someone.
Correct.
And in every stage of life, we will have different priorities. We have different wants and needs and different priorities, and also so that you actually take care of them throughout their life, not just when they are your client. So
Correct.
it's until they plan for their legacy, they plan for their next generation, everything. That's why you said their financial dreams and financial wishes as well. So we will zero in down in that, right? So we start off with financial fear, the number one, right? So financial fear. The last time when I visited your office, I was traveling to Indonesia. You told me, "Hey Bob, you need to get travel insurance, so you can cover all your travels around Southeast Asia." So when it comes to financial fear, right, what are the key important aspects or things they need to take care of?
Actually, financial fear are mainly referring to risks that may encounter or potential risks that may happen, just like accidental injury, just like medical expenses, just like our just past 2-3 years ago, the COVID. So this is nobody can imagine, and you cannot plan as well, and you cannot avoid as well. Nobody like to be the statistic of the COVID statistic, right? But if it happened to you, happened to us, then we have to go for treat. COVID is another different story. But what about other sickness? We may not like the sickness, but what happens if the sickness like us or love you, happen that it caught you? So that is the situation that we need to take care. That's why we call financial fear is why, because people are worried about this, and you cannot avoid. The only thing that you can do is get ourselves prepared to overcome all these expenses. Medical expenses is very, very, very expensive. Very, very expensive. Nobody can avoid this when the sickness caught us. So that's how we would like to overcome this matter.
Yeah, so that's on the medical side, right? And anything else they need to take care of, life or fire, anything else they need to take care of, or travel? Right?
Oh, yeah, of course. Travel insurance, travel is one of the area that we need to take care of as well, because we go to outside. We go outside country, so we don't know some unforeseen circumstances may happen. So these are things that we just get ourselves prepared, just in case I fall sick at overseas, need to enter hospital. Then we are a foreigner over there. So how can we take care of this matter? If really we are in a very, very serious matter that need to send back us, evacuate us back to home country, how to do all this? So travel insurance is one of the most economic and simple things that everyone should do when you travel. That's why when you were saying about you go to Indonesia, so I mentioned about a travel insurance synthesis. And if you can travel more than 3 to 4 times in a year, it's good that you subscribe an annual travel insurance so that you don't need to remember each trip that when you want to go out, make sure that you remember to buy your your travel insurance. That annual plan will take care of all your trips.
Yeah, so more than 4 times, I think I have.
Correct.
Yeah, Elton also have, I think, more than 4 times.
Then should consider this.
So yeah, I think it's very important because I see a lot of cases, right? They travel, they go overseas, and then they go into a hospital, they have to for all their own cash first, and then a lot of things cannot claim, all this, and you're a foreigner, so straight away you have to go private hospital, and
Correct.
you have to bear your own expenses, everything when it comes to medical.
Yes.
So that is one. But I think last time I remember a conversation I had with you. I think this one's something we need to talk about as well. You said the medical costs are rising, so there's a bit of repricing exercise going on.
Yes, correct.
Yeah.
This year is the year that all the Malaysian will experience your medical insurance repricings. So currently, because of the high medical expenses, high medical claim that arise, so every insurance company have no choice. Need to increase the pricing, the medical pricing, to cover the cost of insurance that it happen and continue rising every year. This is going to be a norm. So all the Malaysians have to prepare to accept that your medical insurance will be having repricing anytime now.
How can they prepare?
Go on.
How can they prepare?
what they can do is either they approach their agents or approach the financial advisor to understand this. In Harveston's, all my people are getting ready to engage with the clients to let them understand how medical repricing will impact them. And we also finding solution how to help them to overcome. Some age range may have chances to have lower medical repricing. At least get yourself prepared. Some age range, the medical repricing may be high. Then you may need to think about whether financially can I cope up, or what options shall I do, or upgrade to different version of medical plan or medical benefits, so that you can cope with your budget. At the same time, you still continue enjoy your medical expenses coverage. This is something that it's going to be go on as a norm.
Yeah. I remember you told me some of the premiums go up very high. What happens then? Do they change the premium or?
Actually, when they come to these type of situations, what they need to do is just review back to your existing plan, existing benefits. Then, when after repricing, the premium increase, are you able to cope up? And each insurance company have work out their option for all the policy holder. How should you do? They may offer you to the latest plan. You convert to latest plan. Your premium is increased, but your benefit also relatedly increase, so that you can cover all the future expenses as well. Some, if let's say your plan is at, let's say there's plan 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you're at plan 2, if your budget really cannot cope up, maybe you can reduce your plan to plan 1. At least allow you to have your medical insurance within your budget that you can cope up. So every individual must have your medical insurance continue. Even repricing, everyone, maybe you cannot accept how can insurance premium increase, but this is going to be a norm, no choice. Medical expenses are rising. One thing good is this medical expenses rising, it cover you with better benefit. The better benefit is actually able to cope up with the latest medical advancement. The medical advancement that we are enjoying now, you can have better treatments even day before 6. Today, the medical technology go up to, if a person who have brain tumor, you may not need to go through a open surgery already. You can go for high-tech gamma knife, this type of technology to take care of this. Then the risk has reduced a lot. Then we have more time to enjoy life, right?
Yeah. I think a lot of factors contribute to it, like our ringgit.
Ringgit
value,
That is possible.
For the technology costs go up since COVID, everything lah. Right. So thanks for sharing that. So the next element we want to talk about, the second one is financial obligation, right? You mentioned just now PTN, and of course we have car loan, house loan. Everyone has different type of obligations.
Correct.
So like, how do you help people with that?
Because financial liability is something that we cannot avoid in life. Everybody will own a house. You own a car. And even credit cards. Today's spending pattern is totally different, isn't it? So credit cards are easily to be used. Example, you purchase some item. Then before you walk out from the outlet, you may also receive your SMS already. Your credit cards already inform you that would like to opt for a easy payment scheme with zero interest or with low interest. Then just a click or in a phone call, that's it. You can split your payment already. So the spending, it become easy. Then you will end up with some commitment inside there already, right? Some obligation to pay, right? Let's say you buy a handphone, 1,000 to 2,000 ringgit, or even latest iPhones is talking about 5,000 and above. Correct? So then it's an easy payment scheme you can go through, 12 months, 24 months, but then you end up with liability. You end up with obligation to pay. So that's why these are things we will assist clients to take care of this, because when we are around, we definitely able to fulfill all these commitment or obligations. But if something would happen to us, in the absence of us, would this liability will disappear together with us? No. It will continue. It will either our loved one, our next of kin, will be taking care of this or will take up of this. Then how to overcome this? That's why we usually advise our clients, you must build a program, a contingency program, just in case something will happen to us. All this commitment cannot complete. You imagine a house with a mortgage.
Oh.
Suppose this is a shelter to the whole family. So if the breadwinner of family suddenly not around already, yesterday go out, forgot to come back, or cannot come back already. So what happened to the house? So did the spouse able to continue to serve the loan? So all these are important. You must plan ahead. Should something were to happen to me, make sure that all this liability is taken care. So the family, the children are able to continue stay in the house and at a good shelter that we're supposed to provide.
Yeah, if
So
not,
this
the
is
bank
still-
will auction it
Correct.
and they lose the house, auction it at lower price. Some more.
Correct. Auction is never the market value to us.
Mm.
It's only to cover the loan.
Yeah.
So this is the area that everyone need to pay attention to this. It's okay that you have some obligations. You cannot buy cash all the time. So that's why a contingency plan to take care of obligation is utmost importance. Besides, just now we're talking about financial fear. This is the next one that we should consider. And everyone must have this.
Do you help them to restructure as well their commitment?
Okay, basically all our people are trained to help them to design the contingency plan. We don't restructure, but sometimes when we look through, when we help them to review, we will advise them maybe certain things that you have to take care first. Example, like your credit card outstanding. You should take care of the credit card outstanding because the interests are very, very high. Averaging 1.5% per month. 1 year, 18%, that's high. So if you have other money to save in the bank, then you should be offset the credit card balance first. Those things are supposed to do. Then your mortgage, your car loan, you must plan your installment period and set aside those money as early. Example, when you receive a salary. Set aside this, prepare for payment first, even not due yet. You start to bill. Then whatever balance is your spending. Then you have no worry.
Yeah.
This is some simple way maybe we will advise our clients to look into and then set up a contingency plan in case some serious thing would happen.
Yeah, so it is very important to take care of these commitments.
Correct.
Okay. The third financial element, what is it again? The third one.
The third financial element is our financial commitments.
Commitments, quite similar, right? How is it different?
Yeah, it's quite similar, but we will segregate that obligation is something that you oblige to do. It's something that you're liable to. Commitment is something that we have commit ourselves to our family. Remember that married couple, the day that you say I do, basically we are a commitment to take care of the loved one. Even when you are sick or happy, good day, raining day, we are there to take care of them. Even to our children. When you have children, you need to take care of everything of them. So when we born them, right? So this is the commitment to the family. So for family income protection is something that all the family need to have. If something were to happen to us, then the spouse, the children need to continue going. And furthermore, we have majority of us are dual income family. So basically we need two husband and wife to work, earn the income, then to support the family, to provide the family the best. Correct? If something were to happen to either one of us, or even sometimes husband and wife have high chances to travel together, common disaster happens, even the children, there's people to help us to take care, or our sibling, or even our parents, or our in-law to take care. But financially, we need to prepare for them. So that's why this is the area that family income protection in Malaysia are highly, highly shortage. Not all the family having this. Especially during COVID. Remember during COVID time, there's a lot of statistics, a lot of comment, there's a lot of saying that the saving that they have can't even last for 6 months. What does that mean? If something were to, in the loss of the breadwinner of the family, how can the family survive?
COVID lasted for 18 months at least.
Correct. That's why a lot of people are so worried, right? Suddenly realize that my saving, my emergency fund can't even last me for 6 months. So these are things that all Malaysians must understand of this. It's not that you're buying an additional insurance or buying anything, but you are having something to cushion your family's income needs. That's why this is a program, a family income protection program, basically designed to overcome all these commitments. This is an area that I think that is important. That's why all our people are groomed to take care of this area as well.
And what happens? So like you come up with a plan for them, or you help them to come up with a package. What do you do?
Yes, usually what we do is we'll review their financial needs and how much they need to take care of the continued living expenses, basically that income need that they need for their family. So we help them to derive if something were to happen for the young children until the young children are matured. So how much financial need they need. So we will design a contingency plan to take care of this. Should something were to happen, this money will pay out to the person who take care of them. And we even help them to set up a family trust to house in this program inside there. If something would happen, there's a corporate trustee help them to manage this money and pay to the living expenses every month to the guardians of the children, the young children. Or if the children need to go to study, all this is included already. So we'll take care a holistic plan in this way.
This is what I hear in the US, a lot of trust fund, right?
Correct.
Yeah. Here we don't have a lot of these.
We have this, but it's not commonly used, but it can be used in this way.
Yeah. I think this is, like you said, very underappreciated, or there's not many people know about this.
Correct.
Yeah.
Family income protection in Malaysia, my own observation, I'm in this career for my 31 years. I shall say that we have very less family are really take care of this area. During the COVID, really, there's a lot of observation. We can see a lot of family are so worried about these things. So I really urge that all the Malaysian family must have your family income protection program to stand by to cushion all these things.
Yeah, so I like the first three parts, right? So it's the fear, the obligation, and then the commitment, and then now we move to the positive side, I would say. So
the dream,
right?
Yes.
Right. So the dream. How what do you mean by dream, and how do you help with that?
You see, wealth management. There's a lot of time that people think that this is talking about money, making money. Then we're talking about risk management. So then you're talking about money. You're making your money, or you're investing, or maybe this is talking about asset management as well. That's why all these areas, we always tie back to our ultimate objective to achieve. Why we call financial dream? First thing, financial dream, for some family, they always think about the children first. So to fulfill the children dream, let the children have better educations. If you check with majority of the young parents, giving them a choice, would they want to send their children for overseas tertiary educations? I think most of them will say yes, if they have choice. So the choice is where? The choice is whether did you prepare. If you prepare early, then you can have this. So to fulfill a financial dream, one of the financial dream is send your children to overseas study. You can start to save today. So your saving of your education, for the children education, you have to start today, start now. And for this, if you really plan to send them overseas, you can start to save in non-ringgit as well to cope up with this. So then you have no worry about whether our ringgit is strengthened or our ringgit is weakened in future. This is one of the options that it can do. We are a licensed financial advisor by Bank Negara and Security Commission that can conduct product such studies, where it's a proper licensed product in Malaysia to save for children's, for their future overseas study as well.
What other dreams do Malaysians have?
Other dreams.
Yeah.
The next one is desire retirement lifestyle. There's something that people are looking forward to. So you may work until 55 or 60. I have worked my whole life, entire life already. Going forward, retirement, for me, retirement is actually a second life started. It's not the end of the day. Retirement is not talking about, I go back kampong, I stay in kampong, waiting for my old age. waiting for the last day to come. No, retirement is supposed to be, I will continue enjoy my life and do things that I cannot do or I didn't do in the past during my working life. So the retirement is a time that you have more time then to complete your bucket list in life. Example, you like to travel in the world. You travel any place, then you need to plan out. If let's say for a golfer who like to play golf at all the best courses in the world, that is the time that they will go. Right? That's why to do all these things, your desire retirement lifestyle, you need to plan. When you plan, you have choice. That's why this is things that I feel that a financial dream that everyone looking forward to. Of course, how high standard is depend on our ability or how much yet you have prepared yourself. This is what we are focused into as well for our clients.
Yeah, so the dream is like sending their children to study overseas, planning their retirement, going. So they set aside an amount of money and you come up with a plan or what happens there?
We will come up with a saving, a systematic saving for them under different method. They may be in unit trust, they may be in some saving elements, then to accumulate that money for their future use. So usually we will talk to our clients, understand the client's needs, what our standard, what our lifestyle they're looking forward to. So from there, we help them to derive their goal. Then we help them to set up the saving process, how to achieve the goal. Then along the way, we will help them to manage and monitor the processes.
Yeah, I think that is very important because if it's just a dream and you don't plan for it, it'll be always a dream.
Correct.
Become a reality, right?
Yes.
So you always become a dream. So whatever your dream is, whether it's to play golf all over the world, travel, or send your children for overseas education, you need to plan accordingly.
Correct.
It will be a dream in your sleep.
Correct.
Yeah.
That's why sometimes in life, a lot of time that you see we work for the whole long life, working life. Working sound like we are working for people, we are earning money for somebody else. So sometimes we also need to think about ourselves. That's why in wealth management, our belief is you may need to do something for your obligation, your commitment to fulfill your children's dream. You also need to fulfill our own dream as well. Remember, every one of us should have our bucket list in life to take care. So the bucket list, each one of them, we should be fulfill them each one by one, irregardless of how young are we.
Yeah, so need to plan. Need to plan for that as well.
Yeah, correct.
And the last financial element, right? So from dream we go to wishes.
Wishes,
Yeah. So when it comes to wishes, how is it different than dream?
Okay, wishes is something like mainly I can relate it to become a legacy planning. Sometimes there are people, they are doing well in life. They have everything prepared. So they may also think about, I would have leave something for my loved one, for my next generation maybe. So things that they can do further. So from there, they may like to set up something for their legacy, for the next of kin. So from there, they will start to think about, let's draw out a plan. I will build my wealth, accumulate my wealth, I preserve for my own use, I enjoy my life already, whatever balance. So how should I pass down to my loved one? So from there, we help them to draw out a legacy planning plan. So it can wire through, commonly people will heard about will, commonly heard about trust. Then we are using all these vehicle as well to help the clients to plan out this whole plan. This is how to fulfill their wishes. Sometimes, some family may have inherited the wealth from generation to generation. So they have to think how to preserve this and continue enjoy by the next generation. That's why all this need to a proper plan to carry out and make sure the continuation of the wealth. So this is part of that we are assisting some of our family clients to make this happen.
Is it too young to write a will?
No. Never say too young.
Okay.
There are people who need to write a will. Who need to write a will? Basically, the person who have a lot of wealth or you inherited, you may need to prepare all these things to let your family understand where is all these things and how to do it when you're not around, or who's supposed to inherit or who's supposed to be as a beneficiary of all these things. You can draw out this plan early. And there's also other people who are example, they have too much of complicated relationship maybe, or they have too much of assets, also the area that they have to look into, or even too much of liability, also area that they look into how to overcome this matter. That's why a legacy planning is needed for all range of people, irregardless of what age.
You also mentioned just now charity as well, right? How does charity come in?
Oh, charity maybe some example. Let me use an example to easy. One of my clients who are Christians, she's single. She feel that I have been benefit so much from the God. So they feel that I want to do something for others as a payback.
Yeah.
So, but to draw a plan to donate as charity, when she's around, she can continue donate. But what happens if she's not around? So she wants us to help her to set up a plan that part of her asset, the balance of her assets, then she would like to convert it to become monetary and donate to a charity organization that she choose, and one of that go to the church. So she wants us to help her to draw a plan like this. So basically we help her to set up a trust. So her asset is inside the trust. So when she's leaving, she can continue enjoying the assets. When she's not around already, then the trustee will take over and then convert all these things into monetary and donate to the charity organization that she choose and the church that she choose gradually according to her instructions inside there.
Not one lump sum lah.
Not lump sum. So you go gradually. So the gradually then the money is properly reach to the right person or right organizations that they can use. This is one of the way that they do.
All right, thanks for sharing. These are the 5 financial elements.
Yeah.
Anything else you want to add in here?
I think for wealth management, it's quite a new things maybe in our Malaysia society. But mostly wealth management are equivalent to investment in the bank. But basically, our local financial advisor are able to carry out this. That's why in Harvestons, all our people are groomed toward handle all these things to serve the clients. We always represent the clients. It's not a matter of buying an additional insurance or doing an additional investments. No, it's how to fulfill all these financial elements that we do. This is how we carry out our service to our clients. In Harvestons, we are very focused into servicing our clients. That's the utmost important that we have. Today, we have built systems, grooming systems to groom our people to serve clients effectively, to become clients' preferred wealth management advisor. We hope that all our clients, when they think about money matter, they will think about our advisor. Then only they think about Harvestons. So all the preparation are prepared toward getting a right people, good people to serve the market.
Yep. So I learned a lot of things today. Right? I learned a lot of things today. And I think as someone, right, that is don't know where to start, right? So they are starting out, and how can they start? Should they approach a planner? So can you tell them, right? Can you tell them how can someone get started to plan for their finances?
If anyone who are looking for a financial planning arrangements, simple. They just need to call us call Harvestons, then call our advisor. Our advisor will meet them and talk to them personally and understand what they need, what's their concerns, what's the area that they are looking forward to look into. And from there, we'll analyze and understand where are them now and what is their gap, what they have, what they are short of. Then we'll help them to draw out a plan. What should do, even with the financial element as a guide. So from there, we'll help them to iron out which is the area that need to look into first, and what's the second one and the next one.
Oh, so it's all like an analysis of
Yes.
what their situation is.
Correct. We will analyze their situations, whether are they have enough currently for that purpose or that objective. Then we help them to draw out a goal, derive a goal that to achieve. And from there, we'll help them to find the most suitable solution to attend all this matter. Then we also will provide them an ongoing review and update process to keep track, make sure that the process is on par and to achieve the objective at the end of the day.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's how they get started.
Correct.
Yeah, thank you so much for sharing today. So I think the last one we want to talk a bit about Harveston. We are here at the lounge and the logo is here.
Yeah,
so,
thank you.
How many officers and how big is our team today?
Harvestons, actually we are, this year we celebrate our 15th anniversary. That's why you can see our t-shirt, we have a 15th anniversary logo over here.
Okay, alright.
So basically, we are 15 years already.
Oh.
And we established from a small group of company until today, we have total licensed advisor, 65 licensed advisor now. We only take all the full license under Bank Negara and Security Commissions. So all our people are highly qualified and then they are active. Basically, they are servicing all the clients. So each one of them come in, basically to serve all the clients. Currently, Harvestons, we have, under our client, individual and family clients, we are around 12,000 clients servicing now. In terms of corporate client, we should be around 5,000 corporate clients that we are servicing now at this moment. So basically, we have Grand Mary, this is our HQ, and we have Klang-Valley, we have another 2 well-managed service center in Subang, Taipan.
I almost went there just now.
Okay. And Sungai Buloh, we have these 2 places. And then we have Penang and JB as well. Currently, we have 5 offices to serve all our clients.
Yeah, so it's quite a big team. And if someone is interested to learn more, to join the team, what can they do?
Okay, what they do if they are interested, same things. Just to give you a call, or you can come by our office, or write to us at our email. Then we will attend you. We'll understand from you how is your career progress. If they want to come in as a career. So in Harvestons, we groom all these advisor. For advisor, we one of the important thing that we are providing a good client experience is we are licensed by Bank and Security Commission. That's why then we are able to represent multiple insurance company and investment companies product. Basically, we are not selling more product, but we will focus into the client's need. We only bias one thing. We are biased to the client's engagement and client's needs. So from there, we'll help client to understand what they need. Then we help them to find solution. That's why solution can come from different way. So we are able to help client to do integrated and customized solution to fit to their need, because every individual have different needs and wants and even concerns. This is what we do. And in terms of uphold professionalism, over here we are providing systematic or trainings. We have fixed structured training every Monday and Thursday to groom all our people. That's why our people are continue education and make sure they are learning together with the clients. So they have to grow together with the clients. Just like me as an example, this is my 31 years in this career. I don't do others, but only this career. So the client was with us for so long. So we grow together with the client, we learn together with the client. One day we may get old together with our clients. That's why it can become a lifetime career. So I really urge that Malaysians who are really keen to be in this line to serve people, this is one of the good financial line that should venture into.
So for Harveston's, our going forward, we are in our expansion mode now. We have built all our infrastructure, grooming process, systems ready to expand further. So we are in the expansion mode. That's why you will see that we have 5 offices. This is all our wealth management service center. We open a wealth management service center. It's just not another branch office over there. We are opening a wealth management service center to reach out to our clients. Because because financial advisor in Malaysia is only a small community. So people who have license like us are not well known enough in the market. So market are still not aware about us yet. That's why what we need to do is we will prepare to extend our services, our knowledge, our service to the marketplace. That's why we have different service center to reach out to the market. This is what we do.
Yeah, there you have it. So if you are anywhere in Malaysia, all right, so for now, and you're interested to know more and know how you can do financial advisory with Harveston, please contact their team.
Thank you.
So that is very important as well. So I know that you have all these outlets, from JB to Penang and so many clients as well. So what is your future plans for Harveston?
For future plans, with these expansions, our target is to increase the wealth management service center by the end. We hope to achieve 10 service center. And from we hope that we can complete by next 3 years.
Okay.
Then from there, we also would like to increase our manpower from current 65 to end of the day to become 300. Is our initial target to make this happen. Because the Malaysian need a financial advisor to serve them effectively. Not by the product, it's by their needs and wants in their financial life cycle. So we play a part in every individual's life stages.
Yeah, that's very important. So I hope like 300 and all the service centers that you're going to expand so you can achieve in 3 years. So thank you, Derick, for sharing with us today and all the insights. So thank you for letting us use the lounge as well, and also your office, and also sharing with us your team as well. So thank you so much.
Thank you.